Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Ethereum from Bitmart to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're looking to secure your ETH on a hardware wallet, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. By the end, you'll have your assets safely transferred, reducing risks from exchanges. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a Bitmart account with ETH in it, your Ledger Nano X device unlocked and connected to your computer, and the Ledger Live app installed. Always double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 security standards. It's crucial for protecting your funds. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section. Find your Ethereum balance and click on the Withdrawal option. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Select Ethereum as the asset you want to withdraw. You'll be prompted to enter a recipient address. Now, switch to your Ledger Nano X. Open the Ethereum app on your device. Remember, always confirm transactions on the hardware screen to verify details. Step 3. On your Ledger, go to the Accounts section in Ledger Live to copy your ETH receiving address. Paste this address into the Bitmart withdrawal form. Double-check it for accuracy. One wrong character could send your ETH into the void. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum thresholds, and review the network fees. Bitmart might use networks like ERC20, so ensure your Ledger is set for that. Hit Confirm, and approve the transaction on your Ledger device. Once submitted, you'll see a confirmation on Bitmart. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. In 2025, with faster networks, this might take just a few minutes, but always monitor it via a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip. Be aware of gas fees. They can fluctuate, so withdraw during low traffic times to save costs. And never share your seed phrase or private keys. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn your Ethereum to your Ledger Nano X. This keeps your assets offline and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there and happy investing.